second question is the formwork from the slabs excluding props can be removed only after option A 1 day, option B 4 days, option C 7 days, option D 14 days. So answer is option B 4 days. My third question is the process of filling hollow space of walls before plastering is known. Option A hacking, option B dubbing out, option C blistering, option D peeling. Answer is B dubbing out. My fourth question is the type of arch generally constructed over a wooden lintel or over a flat arch for the purpose of carrying the load of the wall above is option A segmental arch, option B pointed arch, option C relieving arch, and option D flat arch. Answer is option C relieving arch. Question number 5. The platform at the end of a series of steps is known as option A platform, option B relief, option C rest, option D landing. Answer is option D landing. Question number 6. The pile which supports the load due to friction between pile face and surrounding soil is generally known as option A bearing pile, option B friction pile, option C sheet pile, option D battered pile. Answer is option B friction pile. Question number 7 is pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A mortar joint having a concave finishing the brick masonry is called feed joint. Option B a mortar joint projecting beyond the face of a masonry wall is called tucked joint. Option C a mortar joint having a recess in it is called rule joint. Option D all the above. Answer is option D. Question number 8. The type of roof which slopes in two directions with a break in the slope on each side is known as option A gable roof, option B hip roof, option C gambrel roof, option D mansard roof. Answer is gambrel roof. Question number 9. The inclined surface of an abutment to receive the arch is known as A skewback, option B soffit, option C spandrel, option D haunch. Answer is option A skewback. Question number 10 is pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A DPC should be continuous, option B DPC should be of good impervious material, option C DPC may be horizontal or vertical, option D all the above. Answer is option D all the above. Question number 11. A wall constructed with stones to protect slopes of cutting in natural ground from the action of weathering agent is called. Answer option A returning wall, option B breast wall, option C buttress, option D parapet wall. Parapet wall. Answer is option B breast wall. Question number 12. Higher pitch of the roof result in strong roof, results in weaker roof, require more covering material, requires less covering material. The correct answer is result in stronger roof. Option A is result in stronger roof. Option B is correct answer is option A. For different layer of cement concrete floor, pick up the incorrect statement from the following. Option A, the lowest layer consists of consolidated ground. Option B, a 10 cm thick clean sand is laid on consolidated ground. Option C, a 10 cm lime concrete is laid on clean sand. Option D, a 10 centimeter thick cement concrete 1:2:4 is laid on top layer. Answer is D. Option D, a 10 centimeter thick cement concrete is laid on the top layer. Question number 14. Open test pit is only suitable up to a depth of option A 2 meters, option B 2.5 meters, option C 3 meters, option D none of the above. Answer is option C. Question number 15. The service area in a building means the area occupied by option A stairs, option B toilets, option C light and shafts, option D all the above. Answer is option D all the above. Question number 16. The number of steps in a flight generally should not be less than option A 2, option B 3, option C 5, option D no limit. Answer is option B 3. Question number 17. The columns of multi-story buildings are designed to withstand the forces due to option A dead loads, option B live loads, option C wind loads, D all of this. Answer is option D. Question number 18. In soils possessing low bearing capacity, the type of foundation generally provided is option A column footing, option B grillage footing, option C raft footing, option D all the above. Answer is option D. Question number 19. The minimum strength of the mortar used in load bearing bricks masonry is option A 50 centimeter square newton centimeter square, option B 100 newton centimeter square, C 150 newton centimeter square, D 200 centimeter square. Answer option B. Question number 20. As compared to stretch cores, the thickness of the joint in header cores should be option A less, option B more, option C equal, option D equal or more. Answer is option A. Today's GK question is who is the father of soil mechanics? And yesterday's answer is Joseph ASPDIN in the year 1824. Thank you.